How to make a video with pictures in Instagram. So if you want to make a video using your pictures on Instagram, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. Let's say you're trying to create an Instagram reel by making a slideshow template or using your pictures. Just tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Then what you want to do from here is you want to simply go to the option called Reels. Now over here what we can do is, first of all, we can tap on templates to be able to choose a template for our reels, and then basically we can add a photo in that template and be able to create videos. But we can also choose our custom ones, so you can just tap on the select multiple icon and just go ahead and then select the pictures that you want to add. So let me just select the pictures that I want to add right here, and then let me go ahead and then do that. Once I've done that, I can tap the little next option. It will sync the clips to my audio, or I can choose a new audio that I want. Then I can tap on next, and now you can see it will successfully create a slideshow for me using the photos and videos that I created. But as I said, you can also go ahead and then choose by using a template. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.